Hi, I guess you didn't receive the email or message that I sent you that said to basically don't do any of that except the ones that are blacked out. So this one would be one born, and you're basically going to figure out of all these. These are all going to be combined Under Armour, and then there's more Under Armour down below. So, that's what you need to do. I'm not really sure why you put together this whole list. Most of these aren't even brands. Like, this is a store and where it's located. This is one of our shoppers. This is one of our shoppers again with the store she went to. This is a shopper, another shopper. This is me. This is another shopper. This is a brand. So, and then you need to combine all these together. The Vera Bradley, Vera Bradley, Vera Bradley, Vera Bradley. I taken the year you didn't get the other video I sent you on this, like that you need to combine these. So, um, you know, just like the Vera Bradley, and you need to combine them and then check them out. And here's like Under Armour. So this one you would combine with this Under Armour and the other Under Armours that are in the this spreadsheet, and then and then you need to figure out here's some more. So you need to figure out which ones are you know the most. So, like I said, if you're not clear, I'm not going to get upset if you don't understand because I realize sometimes this can be confusing. But we just did all that work on that, and it was the wrong thing. So, either way, let me know if you're not clear on what you need to do. Thank you.